Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Lumley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for September 12th to 26th. Before we get to the forecast, we're going to talk about newly formed tropical storm Francine. And here it is as of 2 p.m. It was located at 23.7 north, 95.8 west. Maximum sustained winds are 60 miles an hour. The movement is to the northwest at 5. Okay, there's a lot to talk. We're going to look at the satellite imagery here. Okay, you can see here's the center of circulation, and it's just newly formed, and we have cold cloud tops near the center, and we'll go to an infrared imagery if you can see. And we have the coldest tops here. You can see it here if you go to the key. Or can you see the key? Okay, we don't have it up there. But these are the like minus 70 degrees Celsius or minus 80 are located here. And these dark black spots or gray, they're the coldest cloud types. So it's still developing stage. And the movement is uncertain right now, but it looks like still to the northwest. But as it moves around the periphery of the subtropical ridge. And here it is now, so we'll take a look at that. We're going to go back to this map, and we're going to take a look and see how far we can go. I don't know if there'll be anything on here when we look at rainfall amounts. All right, so we'll click on rainfall amounts. We'll go to day, I don't know, we'll start here 5 or 6. Okay, no, 6, 7. You start seeing like the heaviest rain starts moving in. We have these, this is offshore. So I'll probably be after that time frame. And this orange part is approaching 2, maybe 2.5 inches that are falling. But that's a forecast that's days out in advance. Now, one thing I want to take a look at here now is we'll take a look at the cone, as we call it, the cone of uncertainty, or the error. And it looks like it'll be moving in this direction. It'll be moving northwest and then start going off to the northeast. All right. So this area here, and then it goes into the Ohio Valley. So as this goes into Ohio Valley, it'll be spreading heavy rain, and it'll be weakening at this time. You can see we're expecting, it doesn't give the winds. Let's see if it does here. Maximums of 25 miles per hour. See, that's where it should be weakening. Now, again, what they always say is, especially down here, don't just focus here in the middle. Because it can go anywhere. It can go to the right of the cone or to the left. And as it gets up here, you can see it gets more uncertain on the map. That's why we have a wider radius in this. So do not focus on this, the projected course, because it goes, like I said, to the right or to the left. This is just an idea where it's supposed to go. All right. So, all right, so now we'll get to our forecast. I think that's all I'm going to say about that. We're going to look at the period, and I lost my maps. Just bear with me. I'll be there. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for September 12th to the 16th. And for the 12th to the 16th, get rid of this map. For the 12th to the 16th, this is what we have. Now, what we have is welcome relief to the extreme heat that the people here on the west have been experiencing. We'll have this trough be moving in, and as it does so, it'll bring a cooler, much cooler air and also rain. And this will cause below normal temperatures across this area. And then we'll have this ridge that'll be about the north central states and parts of the east. This is where the warmer temperatures will be, but you can see it's not as strong as it was out here, like approaching 600 DMs. It's only 582 DMs. Well, here's our little bit of a trough. Here that's moving out. Here it's approaching 600 DMs. So this will be where the warmest temperatures will be. And we have this other ridge here that'll be slowly moving in later on. And here is what's left, or the upper level feature of Francine. Okay, so we're gonna have relief here as this trough moves in, which is a good thing. Okay, we're gonna look at the period now for September 17th to the 21st, and we don't see much change except that this ridge starts to lift out to the northeast. See. So we'll have a trough still in the west, ridging here. This would be the main flow. So for this forecast period, I am calling for below normal temperatures here with anomalies of at least 4 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures here with anomalies could be greater than 8 degrees above normal, mainly in the red. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 35%. Below normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. We're going to look at the flow for the pattern for September 22nd to the 26th. Our ridge continues to lift off to the northeast. Our trough here in the west. Still have ridging here though remaining, and then we'll have a trough moving in to the southwest. So for this forecast period, calling for just above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of up to 8 degrees above normal, mainly in this orange area. And for rainfall, calling for below normal precipitation here, and for this region, probability of occurrence 35%. Above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence is near 35%. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for September 12th to 26th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.